Assalamu alaikum. So today again I am going to explain how circuit maker works. So as you see on the screen, this how it looks once you will open, and I will start with a simple circuit. For example, let's design half wave rectifier. What you need: an AC signal which looks like this, a diode, a resistor where you will collect your output. So let's go to circuit maker, and the first thing you need is a ground. From where you will get ground, you see on the screen left side, go to general, then go to sources. If you will click on, can you see this ground? Just double click and ground will be here. Either one ground is enough, but to make your circuit look good, I will give two grounds. Okay, we have got grounds. Now what is next? We need a diode. Diode is also in the same place. In general, go to diodes, and the first one, double click this. Here you have got diode. What else you need? You need a resistor where you will collect your output. So this is resistor, double click, and this is how you will get your resistor. Now this resistor is horizontal, I want to make it vertical. What is the way? Right click on this, and there is option rotate 90 degrees. So now it is horizontal. By rotating 90 degrees you can make it vertical. Here it is. Now if you are looking for example, right now it is 1 kilo ohm. If you want 2 kilo ohm, 4, 5, whatever, what is the way? Just keep your cursor there and double click. Now it is 1 kilo ohm default value. If you want to change something else, just click on this and click OK. But for us 1 kilo is fine. What we are done? Not yet. We need a function generator. We need a signal. From where we'll get? Go to instruments, analog signal. This one is. So go to instruments. In instruments, go to analog signal. And in analog you go to signal generator, double click on this. So this is what you have got. One more thing, you can see the range. It is -1 to 1 volt and 1 kilohertz. If you want to change the frequency or value, you can change it here. Now its value is 1, I want to make it 5. Rest of the things will be same. Now we have got everything that is needed. We have to connect now. How to connect? See the cursor, wire tool. Click on wire tool, plus sign. Now connect your diode to the function generator, and the terminal of your function generator will be to the ground. Your resistor will be to the diode, and another resistor terminal will be to the ground. Our circuit is complete. Now what we want is, we need to run. Now wiring is done, go to this arrow, and generally you should be in this mode, arrow. For running, you have to see from where you can run analog simulation. Click on this. Now graph you have got, but why it is blank? Because you have whatever you want to see, you have to connect this point. You want to see your input signals, connect here. See, it is 5 and -5. You want to see your output. Where is the output? Near register. You can see it is how much? Only positive half. Its value, you see it is 3.5. Here it is 4. It is 4.5. It is 4.3 takriban. Why 4.3? This is silicon diode, and we lose 0.7 volt here. So 5 minus 0.7 is 4.3. So you are getting your output like this. In this way, you can design a simple half wave rectifier. So this is the way. And now let's go for the second example. Here we are. This is the circuit we have to make. The same input signal, same diode, but see the position. Before it was series, now it is parallel. We have got a battery. If it is 5, let us assume it is 2. So let's go for that. Where we'll go? We'll go to circuit maker. We will disconnect. We'll stop first. This is the point for stop. Now what we will do, we will disconnect first. All these things will be disconnected. What else you need? You need a battery. So from where you will get battery, go to the top, general, sources and battery. Double click on this, you will get a battery. What else you need? See the circuit. Signal we have got, one register is here, one register is here, so one more register we need. Now let us rotate this diode. What is the way? Just select this and right click, rotate 90 degree. Yes, now it is in the way we want. We need one more register. From where we'll get register? Go to register, double click, here is your register. I think we are done. Now you can connect your ground either on the left or right ground, or you can have another ground. So we will connect among the available grounds. Now we have to make connection. What we'll do, just go to plus sign, connect this register here, and we have to be careful. If you will not connect properly, you will not get output, so you have to be very, very careful. Now this is your output register. This will go to the ground, and this register also should go to the ground. Our connection is done, so I will click on this arrow tool, and this is how your circuit looks. So we are done now. Now I will see my output. What is the way? You just click here, run analog simulation. Now what I will do, see your circuit, see your input, it is similar to what we have got, and for output register, see here. Okay, there is something wrong. What is wrong? Your input signal is 5 volt, but this battery is 10 volt. It should be smaller generally. So what we will do, we will stop this. We will double click. It should be 10 volt. Its default value was 10, and we have not taken care of this. Now I have made it 2. Again run. See your output here. Sorry, input here same, and output is very much similar to what is our theoretical value, starting from 0.7 and only remaining positive half. So this is the way we can design our circuits. I hope it is clear. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask me one by one in WhatsApp, and that is all for this video. And if you have anything, please let me know. Jazakallah khair wa assalamu alaikum.